word energy can mean a lot of things. The sun gives solar energy, a dam produces kinetic energy, and the food we eat gives us the energy to live and move. However, as we age, the same foods don't seem to give the energy they once did. Many look to quick fixes like caffeine, but these just mask the underlying problem. In order for the cells in your body to produce usable energy, called ATP, they must perform complex chemical dances, called the Krebs cycle and oxidative respiration. These require a partnership between many nutrients from foods and others your body produces naturally, such as coenzyme Q10. After age 30, natural CoQ10 production declines. This is compounded by certain lifestyle factors as well as common medications such as beta blockers and statins that deplete CoQ10 levels. The energy loss from CoQ10 insufficiency has been linked to muscle aches and weakness, occasional fatigue, and brain fog. Fortunately, addressing CoQ10 insufficiency is easy to do with proper supplementation from your healthcare practitioner. CoQ10 is a popular supplement. Many brands build on this notoriety with outlandish claims, but do not deliver on their promises. When you're choosing a CoQ10 supplement, look for brands that base their formulas on science, quality, and effectiveness. HeartBalance360 formulated by Get Lean Products, delivers evidence-based raw materials using a suspended, solubilized CoQ10 with 3 times greater absorption over powder-formed CoQ10 products. Choose the right partner to help boost your energy production and get back to feeling your best. Ask your healthcare practitioner today if HeartBalance360 from Get Lean Products is right for you.